test. Oh yeah. Okay. So
why is this happening? I guess. Okay, yeah. It should be fixed. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Today, hello everyone. So today, what I am doing right now is, yeah, we will deploy a server here, specifically a Minecraft server. Yeah, first of all, why is a Minecraft server? Yeah, first of all, deploying a server can help you learn both Linux and networking at the same time. And why a Minecraft server? It's because a lot of VTubers play Minecraft, and I think that this will be helpful for them to set up their own server and especially have full control over them. You know, just directly buying hosting from a Minecraft server provider is quite easy, but you only interact with the server through their interface. Meanwhile, the method I am describing here is the one where you have basically full control over your server. You can do almost anything with it. And so yeah, that is the approach that we are taking today. Okay, let's see the next one here. Yeah, game servers like Minecraft servers are a great candidate for hosting your own, especially because most game servers are quite CPU intensive. Minecraft is no exception. I spend like days debugging lags on a Minecraft server because it is just so CPU intensive. I talked about servers a bit on the previous technology dev stream, so you can check that out if you want to see about hosting your services yourselves and how to set up your own server. You can look at that stream. Okay, okay. A lot of things are visible here. Definitely a lot of things are visible on my alt tab here. Yeah, this is okay. So what will we need today? Well, we need basic Linux knowledge to actually operate the setup, because unlike when you're running Linux on your own computer, for example, a Linux server does not usually have a graphical user interface, so you have to use the command line power to set up the server there, and also basic understanding of networking, so that you just need to know what are IP address and ports, and you should be fine. And finally, Minecraft. Yeah, this would not be complete without actual Minecraft. Well, I don't really have a legit version of Minecraft right now, but when I stream the actual game for real, not as part of a technology dev stream, I will be sure to buy that. But right now, yeah, let's see what we can do today. As for places to host, okay, if you intend to run the server locally at home, for example, a Minecraft server for family and friends, you should be fine with running it in a computer or VM. You should be fine. But if you want to, for example, want the server to be accessible to a lot of people, you must use a hosting provider. And as I said, there are companies that specialize in setting up Minecraft servers. But today we are doing it one level deeper, and we will be setting it up on top a normal server, normal computer. Yeah. Now about Minecraft server software. Yeah, Mojang. Did I pronounce that right? Any hosting providers you'd recommend? I think I actually talked about them in the first technology dive stream, and yeah, while it actually really depends on what region you want the server to be available. Yeah, it really depends. If you like, you need to check, you need to browse them and then check their pricing for sure and see if it's available in your region. I currently use I currently use a German hosting provider for my website and other services, Hetzner, but their servers are only available in Germany and Finland. They are like one of the cheapest that I could find, but for other regions you need to look them up. OVH is quite cheap despite the incident that happened in March. And if you are fine with shelling out a bit more, you can absolutely use the the big three cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. But yeah, it depends on the region and the pricing, so do your own research here. Yeah, so Mojang does provide server software. We usually call them vanilla, and it's fine if you only play with friends, just casual play in survival. However, for more advanced functionality, you will need a custom server software that modifies the original Minecraft server software here. In this stream, I'll be setting up both the original server software, the one from Mojang, and one of the custom server software available, that is Paper. I think I have experience with both of them, so that's why I am presenting them here. If you use Minecraft mods, there is another server software that you can use, and that is Sponge, but I have never used Sponge since I have probably never used Minecraft mods. So yeah, it might be for another time that I talk about setting up a Minecraft mod server. But for now, I will be setting up to the vanilla server software and Paper. And then, yeah, reminder that Minecraft is written in Java, and so it requires Java to run. And this is one of the important points of Minecraft from 1.17. It now requires Java 16. And yeah, that is quite the version jump from the previous requirement. Previously, Minecraft requires like Java 8, and now they require 16. Yeah, the Java recently transitioned to the new, not recently, but quite some time ago, they transitioned to the 6-month Java major version release cadence. So, new major version every 6 months, and I am not definitely used to it. The version jump is quite a surprise here. But it does not really matter. We will be installing Java as part of the server setup, so don't worry there. And then, yeah, custom server software allows us to use plugins. That software that enhances the functionality of our Minecraft server. But yeah, for this stream, I will be only doing the basics of the plugin installation here. I think I will be only installing 2. Essential X, the fork of original Essentials, and log perms or permissions plugin. But for more, you definitely need to browse for your own favorite plugins to use. Yeah, but I need to remind you of one important thing. Please check what are you downloading and where you are downloading the plugins from. Because if you downloaded it from a shady website, I am not responsible if your server or you suffers damage as a result. So yeah, please check where you are downloading plugins from and make sure it is from a reputable source. And then I will also touch a bit on the server setup here because we're setting up on the top normal server. We will touch directly the init system of the server. If you don't know what that is, yeah, it's basically the program that starts and manages the services of the computer. Yes, most several Linux distributions nowadays use systemd as the init system. So that's the one that I'll be using today. I will talk about setting up the service with systemd. And while other init systems exist, but I think it's a bit more cumbersome to set up than systemd. But you can read on them if you want. But for today, I will be using something that uses systemd here. And then finally, to the init system, we can fine-tune the performance of the server software, like the options. But this, oh, ouch. Okay. That is for later, actually. Yeah, it's kind of an advanced topic, so I'll be linking the article that I use for detailed explanation. Let me copy something here. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. I suddenly forgot what am I supposed to be copying here. Okay, I found it anyway. Okay, yeah, this is... Okay, so the link that I sent here, that will be the guide that I use for this min-maxing topic, so... Yeah. You can read there if you want more detailed explanations about what each flag actually means. So yeah. Now I think yeah, it's time to set up the server now. Let's run. Yeah, okay, so that's what those pages are. Okay, let me close this. Okay, yeah. For today, I will be giving an example using DigitalOcean because the interface is quite easy to use, but you can absolutely use other providers. But for today, I'll be using DigitalOcean. For today, we will need to create a droplet. And for today, okay, as long as it's not FreeBSD, we should be fine. As long as it's not FreeBSD. Because Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, CentOS all use systemd, so we should be fine. Yeah, there are other stuff here, but let's stick with Ubuntu because that's the basic ones. Okay. This is actually pretty interesting that, you know, they now actually provide the premium Intel with NVMe SSD, premium AMD with NVMe SSD, For Minecraft, I think the single core performance is what matters, so we will be sticking with Intel. But for other deployments like probably a usual web server, I will be recommending AMD. But because especially for game servers, single core performance is quite important, especially with Minecraft. We will be sticking with NVMe, with Intel. And for this example, you will require 4 gigabytes of memory minimum for Minecraft for comfortable use, because any lower and the optimization start to become a little bit spotty. Even more recommended if you in DigitalOcean you can get something of dedicated CPU here. It's quite expensive, but yeah, if you can get dedicated CPU, you can. Yeah, I think I will say you will definitely need it, especially for large servers. You will definitely need it. But for now, I will be just using the basic because we're not doing much here. And yeah, let's choose the 4 gigabytes here. Block storage we don't need. And then the data center region. This is also important because it like decides the latency of the server and like decides the amount of lag that your players usually see. So it's important that you place it closest to the to the majority of where your players will play from. So because I am in Southeast Asia, I will be choosing the Singapore server as GP1. VPC network not important here. Select additional options. You can do monitoring, and you can also do IP version 6. My connection do have IP version 6, and then SSH keys. Okay. You can either generate one or use your existing one. I will probably using the password method here since I do not have my SSH key on hand here, or unless I actually go to my VM right here and just check, just check the root password, check the SSH key. Why it is the password? Okay, I will probably do that now. I will be logging into my VM. This VM is what I will use to log in and set up the Minecraft server because, well, Linux, it's a bit easier to develop Linux on Linux. Also, yeah, look at her. Look at her. Okay, limited connectivity? What the heck? Okay, time for some further mention debugging time. What the heck happened? Okay, I believe I need to debug. Yeah, I will need to debug the router VM here. Wow, what the heck? Okay, I think I should turn off quiet here because something definitely does not look like here. Look right here. Okay. Okay, what is happening? It was this thing is working last stream and it now does not. Tell us what happened. This was working the last time I used it, but yeah, apparently it does not anymore. Yeah, I think the last time it actually just stuck on loading hardware drivers. and it kept getting stuck on there. Okay, if this keeps happening, I will have to work around this somehow. Yeah, this is kind of essential for what I... Okay, it's... Oh god, that is too long for comfort. Oh my god. I will need to debug this for a while. Just what happened? Let me... Okay. Let's upgrade this. Okay, yeah. Okay, because the problem with the router has been solved. Let's go back to the VM and copy my public key. Warning, you don't have an internet connection. I do have now. Let's connect it. You are connected. Yeah. My public key should be fine to show here because, you know, unless... unless you want me to be able to access your server, it should be fine. I just hope that I don't, accidentally post my private key on stream, because if that happens, I will have to change everything. I will need to change the keys on literally every surface that I use. Not a fun look, but yeah. At least it's a private key. At least it's the public key here. It should be safe to show on stream. Okay, let me return to DigitalOcean here. Okay. Yeah. And then finalize and create. How many droplets? 1. Just a host name? Kind of free what you do here. But in this case, I'll be naming it after I don't know, a character somewhere. But let's go with a VTuber this time. Yeah, okay, then Slack project, I do have my former infrastructure project here. So yeah, let's create the droplet. Okay, the droplet was created. Let's just wait for the setup. It should be quick. It should be pretty quick to set up. Yeah, I just hope suddenly DigitalOcean reporting problems in their status dashboard. Because if that happens, that will suck. Okay, it's almost complete. Okay, yeah, nice. We got our server here. Yeah, Hoshimachi Suisei. Yeah, that's the name I decided to go with this test server. Let's copy the IP address. This will be important later. And let's dive into the VM. And what we do now is get a shell to it. SSH. Root. I think I cannot log into root on DigitalOcean. Always check the provider's instructions. Oh, I cannot log in with Ubuntu. Can we log in with root? We can log in with root. Okay, so for DigitalOcean, log in as root. And then yeah, we are now in the server, and now what we will do is there are two things. Okay. Actually, let me set up the OBS here first. Okay. Yeah, it should look identical, except that now I'm doing window display instead of display capture, because display capture is kind of uncomfortable. Oh yeah, oh yeah, the switcher got bugged there. Okay, now what we will do is basically, yeah, first let's install Java. And for Java, I will be, yeah. For Java, I will be doing, yeah, I will be installing the Adobe OpenJDK Java. So let's, yeah, I will copy the link for the installation here. Okay, yeah, so yeah, the instructions for installing the Adobe OpenJDK Java package. So yeah, let's just copy and paste the instructions that are given there. So I will be doing just that. Okay. First step, install the required packages, and then let's install the. Okay, let's download the GNU PG key. And then import, yeah, import the keyring here. Okay, public. Whoa, oh wow! I just realized the public key is using Gmail. Wow, this is such an interesting detail. They are actually using Gmail for their public key email. Okay, clean up. Okay. I kind of have to use my second monitor here. Okay, yeah. Keyring. That. Update. Okay, yeah. Codename. Okay, this is okay. I actually forgot to replace the codename there. I think this is Ubuntu 20.04, so I will be using the codename Vocal. Let's update again. And then let's install, remember, Java 16, Adobe OpenJDK -16 hotspot. We are now downloading Java. So yeah, let's wait until Java gets downloaded. And okay, this is around 10 megabytes per second. Fun fact, this is also my current download speed now. So yeah, really, yeah, my internet connection now is really great. Okay, yeah, now that Java is installed, let's install the first of all the Mojang provided Minecraft server. So to download Mojang's server software, the download link is in here, the Minecraft.net download server. So copy the server.jar link, download Minecraft server 1.17.1.jar. Copy that link and then you execute wget server this link. Okay, now we have the server jar, but I would recommend to create a new user here. You create a user here, user add -m Minecraft, and then move the server.jar to the Minecraft folder. Sudo mv, yeah, I do not need to use sudo here, but yeah, my bad. Mv server.jar home Minecraft, and then we go to the Minecraft directory and then change the ownership to the Minecraft user and Minecraft group. And then yeah, we can actually try it right now, like this. Java-jar server.jar. We can actually run it now. Okay, yeah. The first time you run any Minecraft server software, you will need to agree to the end user license agreement here. So what do you do if you need to accept the agreement? So yeah, let's edit eula.txt with nano, and then we agree to the eula by changing the false field here to 2, and then we run the server again. Okay, we are now preparing the world. Oh, interesting. They are actually like server and worker threads now. Minecraft, I think you did good. Wow, that is a long 0% there. And now it's ramping up nicely. Okay, yeah, okay, it's done. So what we do here is, okay, I will actually going to stop here because again, I don't have a legit Minecraft copy yet. I'm only using it to test the server, but if the time comes that I actually like play Minecraft properly on stream, that time will be where I actually buy it. But for now, it's just for debugging. It should be debugging the server. It should be fine. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, yeah, I will disable online mode in here. But as a rule of thumb, you should always enable it. But well, again, I am only debugging the server here. So yeah, starting the server again here. Okay, yeah, that is a long 0% there. What happened? And I will be switching to Minecraft. Okay, let me set up here first. Okay, strange. Yep, okay. If you want to visit your server, you click on multiplayer, add server, and make sure to copy the address of the server that you created earlier, and then paste it in the server address here, and then click done. Refresh. Okay, it's there actually. Okay, pinging. Yeah, a Minecraft server. Let's join it, shall we? Okay, yeah, it is slightly stuttering, but we are on Minecraft, alright. And note that this is running from the server. This is running from an actual Minecraft server that I'm running right now. If you want to join in, you can... Okay. I will copy this. If you want to join the server, I'll be copying the IP that... Yeah. This is... Okay, the IP that I copied just there is the IP of the current servers of the current Minecraft vanilla server. So if you want to play around for a bit, you can join. You can open your own Minecraft and then join that IP. That IP will be That IP will only have a Minecraft server as long as the stream is active. And when the stream ends, I will be deleting the server because that server is expensive. Okay, I only have enough money to run the servers that I use for my own website. So yeah, but if you want to join in the fun, you can join by opening up your own Minecraft and then join the server at that particular IP. Yeah, I definitely do not know how to play Minecraft here. I missed the deployment law. Yeah, hello Arik Fajar. Yeah. Don't worry, I am still covering the vanilla Minecraft server. I will be covering the custom one later, and it is much more involved than this. This is a vanilla Minecraft server. Okay, yeah, I apparently just did that. You know, okay, let's do the usual shenanigans with Minecraft here. Yeah, good idea to delete it, cause someone might crash your server by grieving. That is not even it's not even a server with any value whatsoever. So yeah, I am deleting it more because of economic reasons. Yeah, the server that I'm using is definitely quite expensive, compared to the server that I used to run my own services. So yeah, I also won't be using the server, and I am not maintaining the Minecraft server. I have enough on my hand already. Okay, I'm basically just parkouring around. Okay, you know. Okay, let me create a stake. I think I won't be playing this for long because yeah, the point is we have our server and you can use vanilla. You can use vanilla commands here. There are one of a max of 20 players online. Okay, do we have a why did I create a pickaxe? Yeah. Let's dig right too. Okay, for this one, I should not be using the pickaxe to dig up dirt. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough. I'll be leaving. And let's put Minecraft on the background. While, okay, this will keep running on the console here. But now we are creating yet another server for the custom one. Okay, so yeah, I will be going back to the DigitalOcean console. Okay, where is the Firefox that I use? Okay, yeah. I don't know much about the pricing. Does it count by how much process you're running on? It's based on the specs of the server. Okay, I am demonstrating it right now with I am creating a new server. Okay, yeah. As before, Ubuntu. Yeah, the pricing is here. It depends on the specifications. Like I am currently using the $24 per month pricing with the 4GB memory, 2 Intel CPUs, 80GB of NVMe SSDs, and 4TB of transfer. Add block storage? No. Let's choose Singapore again. We choose the default VPC network. IP version 6 and monitoring. Use the SSH key that I use here. 1 droplet. And give it another host name. Okay, what good host name should I use here? Okay. I think I will be naming this one after a VTuber again, but I am not sure on who to name this server after. But while I ponder about that, let's talk a bit about the the vanilla server software itself. Okay, I accidentally disconnected the server here. Yeah. Okay, the server should be offline now because yeah. If you want to make this Minecraft server run continuously, you will definitely need you will definitely need the init system. Let me switch. Okay, let me switch to the virtual machine display here. Wrong one. Yeah, that one. Currently installing Minecraft LMAO. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. The server is not online right now, but yeah. What I do here is I will basically create a systemd service that I will use to run the Minecraft server, but I am kinda lazy to actually type the surface file from scratch, so I will just be copying for an existing one here and then create the surface here, copy that one and then nano it, and then I will just edit the descriptions and set up to match the Minecraft server places. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Wrong file there. Okay. We will only need to use these lines. User, set the user that I just created earlier. And then this work. Yeah, that line should be enough. And then we should be setting the working directory to the home. Okay, I should be just using the Minecraft background music here. Okay, it actually fits so well with the vibe that I'm going for here. Okay, let's start the Minecraft service, the moment of truth. Oh, what happened? Possibly by other Minecraft instance. Okay, let's see. Let's actually see Java. Okay, there is another one actually running now right now. Okay, let's kill that one. Okay, yeah, we are currently setting up the spawn area. Yeah, and it's pretty much done. Yeah, if you want to access the vanilla Minecraft server here, you can visit the IP that I sent on the chat. So yeah, you can play around for there while the stream is up. But okay, I think I figured out the name of the yeah, I think I figured out the name to the server that I want to use. So let's switch back to the let's switch back to DigitalOcean here. Okay, for the other one, let's take it from okay, I kind of forgot. Okay, let's take her instead. And then we create the doublet. Okay, yeah, it is. Is it still okay? It is still creating. Yeah. DigitalOcean creation is kind of slow. Oh, it's running now. Let's copy that IP address and let's head back to the VM. Now I have another console tab running here, so let's connect to that server. We are also following the installation process here. Let's install Java again. Okay, I have a bit of a trouble doing that. Okay, that one, and then yep. Okay, nice. Ouch. This time making sure that I actually type the code name here should be vocal. Update. And then install again the Adobe OpenJDK 16 hotspot. Okay, still installing that one. I will be heading to the while doing that. This time, however, we will be installing paper. So you can download paper to the link I sent here there, okay? I will be downloading the 1.17.1. First of all, of course, creating the Minecraft user. Let's download that one. And then what we want to do is download the jar and then run it. Yeah. Again, how usually custom Minecraft server software works is that they modify the original Minecraft server application. So what you're seeing here is that it's currently patching the original Minecraft server software here. As usual, the EULA, we need to agree to that. And then yeah, let's modify the server properties as well. I will be running paper again. Okay. Wait a minute. It might be a good idea to rename it to something more inconspicuous. How do I mention? How do I pronounce that? Okay. Yeah, that did not go well. Okay, we are running paper. Okay, yeah, the paper server is actually running now. So yeah, let's try to connect to that one. Let's try connecting to that one instead. I will be copying the IP address to YouTube, so you can access it. I will be switching to Minecraft again. Let's add another server and this time use the IP address of the paper server. We have it. And yeah. Yep, and it looks different here. Then you can actually see here aliases Bukit Minecraft. Yeah, okay, I wouldn't be dwelling much on here because yeah, it's literally the exact same one as the vanilla Minecraft server. So yeah, I shouldn't be doing this. Okay. I see Battle Program 1. Yeah, hello Battle Programmer. But yeah. But okay, this server is not going to live for long because I will need to shut it down to set up the service and install some plugins. So yeah, I think I will be only just seeing around while I do that. But okay, I am shutting down the server to install some plugins. So yeah, let's do just that. I'll be returning to the virtual machine first here. Stop. LOL, nice. Yeah. Now what I am going to do here is to install the to first install the Surface file, and then after that we will be installing plugins. Okay, actually with this server I will be going a bit more advanced, and what I will do here is using a systemd Surface file that someone created here. I'll be linking to that in the live chat section. First, let's exit out of the Minecraft user and then create the systemd surface here. Paste. I'll be only editing this to I will be editing this to match the Minecraft server setup that I have here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, where is the other one? Okay. Installing, okay, yeah. Now we have it set up. Let's install some plugins. Okay, yeah. I will be switching to Firefox again here. This one, okay. What happened? Why it pointed to the wrong one here? Okay. Not it actually pointed to my live chat here. Why did you do that? Yeah. Okay, the correct one is finally here. Yeah, I'll be only installing the I will be installing the two plugins here, Logperps and Essentials X. For Essentials X, we can actually just go to the GitHub directly, and we should there is not a Essential X for 1.17 yet. Okay, so I think we need to actually see snapshots here because it looks like that we might need to get nightlist because we will need to download the dev one because I think this is the one that supports 1.17, I hope. So let's download the latest dev build. So for that, we need to go to the Minecraft user again, go to the plugins folder, and then download the plugin back there. Okay, let's also download the chat ones. And then the spawn one. Okay, yeah. I forgot to switch to the VM. Yeah. I will. Yeah. What happened on that one? Okay, I'm just correcting the name slightly here. And then yeah, I will be also be installing log perms. Switch again to the Firefox one. Click download here and click the bucket one because we are using paper. And then let's go back to the plugins here and then download the permission plugin here. And now the moment of truth. Let's start Minecraft. I'll be going to attach because of the system service that I use. I can attach my console to the Minecraft console, so we are doing that. We are now preparing the start region now, and it should have permissions. And the server is up and running again. Let's go back to the server and we should see. Okay. Yeah, with the permission plugins now we see that we probably can't actually do any. Oh, okay. You do not have access to that command. Yeah. Yeah. Setting up the permissions on this thing is quite the wait. But for now, I will be, and you will be essentially needing to read the documentation on setting up the, setting up the permissions here. But I think the one way to do it is doing something like this. And then, yeah, you can actually read on, the permissions needed for Essentials X. And yeah, for Essentials X, you can see the permissions list. It's kind of complicated. And yeah. But for now, yeah, we actually managed to deploy a Minecraft server. And as for the basics on how to set up the server inside of Minecraft, I think I will be doing that in another time because, yeah, no, setting up a Minecraft server with plugins is quite the complicated feat. And yeah, I am not going to go into that rabbit hole for now. You can read the permissions in this website. And then I will be also giving the link to Yeah, I will be also be yeah, I will be also giving the okay, the the getting started here. You can wait on the like you can wait on the how to set up the permissions there. I am not going to de- delve into it further than I should be in this stream. That will be for another time. But yeah, we have successfully deployed a Minecraft server here, and deploying a Minecraft server is actually comparatively quite easy compared to setting up like a mail server or even or probably even a web server. Yeah, like Minecraft servers are quite easy to set up. As you can see, yeah, the steps are probably like three, like yeah, like three steps perhaps. Step one, install Java. Step two, download the jar file of the server, and step three, run the server. And yeah, there's actually a step four, set it to run on startup. Also, yeah, hello, Rune Carter. I'm yeah, I'm basically just trying to deploy a Minecraft server on stream, and yeah, it's actually pretty quick. It's actually pretty quick to start a Minecraft server, but yeah, setting it up, the permissions and stuff, the plugins, is another matter entirely. And I sadly won't be covering that on the stream, but yeah, now we have two servers that are running. First, okay, they seem to have stopped, but I could always just access it later here to another tab. So let's do that and then create the channel. Okay, see the logs. Okay, yeah, I think it's safe to say that I will be stopping the servers now since they have done their purpose. Okay, I will be closing them. Yeah, okay, I will also be shutting down the VM here since the job is done. And I will say again, look at her. And it just crashed. What is that? It just crashed. Good job, Virtual Machine. I will be returning to the I will be returning to the not again. Not again. Okay, I'll be returning to the log prompts here. I'll refer to this archive here when I'll set up a system. Super helpful. Yeah, it's actually you know it's actually pretty quick, and I will probably try to write a guide here. But also, yeah, I forgot one more detail, and that is I forgot one detail, and that is the server parameters. And for that, you can refer to the website that I linked before. This is this is quite the advanced topic, so I will not be covering them deeply here. Okay, that it's running a bit longer than usual. Hey, can't wait to see in the VTubers plays Minecraft way. I want to see more VTubers setting up their own Minecraft servers. Okay, just playing for me, just playing Minecraft is not enough. You have to, yeah, you have to set up your own server. Not really, but yeah, yeah. I, yeah. Well, I think I won't be playing Minecraft for a long time as a VTuber, but yeah, it's really nice to see them play Minecraft. But yeah, this is the flag that you need, and what you do is just copy those, change the this parameter as required, and copy them to the systemd service file that I created. Yeah, I will not be doing them now, but yeah, if you this is for the performance optimization for Minecraft. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it for the setting up Minecraft server. I probably want to write a blog post about it so that you don't actually need to see the entire 1 hour stream to just find the correct steps. But yeah, okay, I'll be saying goodbye to those two servers because what the heck? Okay, what the heck was the okay? I forgot to close Minecraft. My bad. And then there's just suddenly zombie song on exactly on the right of my headphones, and that is surprising there. Okay. Goodbye to you, and goodbye to you also. The other tab that I purposely have open here is her. I don't know why, but I just want to do this. Okay, I should not be showing that often. Okay, let me close Firefox here. Okay, and it switched to that one or two. Okay, yeah, let me actually switch to VirtualBox Manager here. Okay, so yeah, that's how you set up a Minecraft server. There are basically four steps. Five if you count creating the server first. Create a server first, install Java on the server, and then download the server file, the server executable, and then run the server, and then finally set up the service manager to run the server on startup. And yeah, that's it. You now have a basic Minecraft server running. Well, there are, of course, more to do after actually getting the server running, like setting up the permissions if you use the custom Minecraft server software, or optimizing the Minecraft setup. But yeah, the installing a Minecraft server is 5 steps there. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's probably as simple as installing a web server at this point. Like except with web servers, like if you want a functional web server, you will also need to like install PHP and stuff. And those are, yeah. I think installing a web server is more complicated than a Minecraft server somehow. But yeah, the stream basically done at this point. So yeah, I will be switching to the free chat section that I have here. Yep. Okay, I will just do the usual announcements. So yeah, tomorrow I will be streaming the Idolmaster Pop Links because tomorrow is the day where Yuika finally arrives on the Idolmaster Pop Links, and I really can't wait to see her. This one is pretty straightforward, so not much of a hassle. Yes, yes, definitely a resounding yes there. Yeah, installing Minecraft server is actually pretty straightforward. Yeah, and then continue to the announcements. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be streaming Pop Links. I want to play with Yuika in the unit. And then, yeah, contingency contract for Lit Seal will start soon, and then I will be also will be playing that. And then after that, Punishing Grey Raven is released, and I will cover that in my release video stream. And not to count that there will be 2 blog posts this week. The first one being the review of Idly Pride, and the second one being the new music highlights post for this month. Yeah, it's actually pretty busy this week. So yeah, please look forward to them, and I will be ending the stream right now. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and have a nice day everyone.